Well, hello friends. Let's draw some things together today. I've got my pen. You can use a pencil like this. And I've got my paper. And today we are going to draw a mouse. Have you ever seen a mouse? Hopefully not in your house. So let's start drawing. I'm going to start by doing a shape for the head. It's going to be pointy on one side and kind of round on the other. So you watch and I'll do mine first. So it's going to be pointy that end, it's going to go around and pointy like that. Then I'm going to do two eyes. 1, 2. Then I'm going to give my mouse a little smile. It's a happy mouse. He's going to have a nose on the end. We're going to do a little circle right on the pointy bit there. Next I want to give my mouse some ears. So I'm going to make a round shape up here, almost like a circle, but it touches the head. And then I'm going to do a smaller one on the inside. You watch, just like that. So that's one ear. Now I'm going to do another ear right here, around and touch the line. And on the inside, just like that. Okay, so our mouse has a head, eyes, a mouth, and a nose, and 2 ears. Now our mouse needs a body. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to draw a line down, round at the bottom, and up to match the head again, to go right up to the head. And then I'm going to stop right there. Then I'm going to give my mouse some feet. So right here, there's one. See how it's just kind of like an oval shape? And then I'm going to do the same on this side, just like this. There. And then I'm going to give him 2 more little feet, because mice actually have 4 feet. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. These almost look like 2 little hands, don't they? Okay, are you ready to color in your mouse? So today I'm going to use some watercolor paints. So I've got my paintbrush, and over here where you can't see them, I have some paint. If you don't have paint at home, that's okay. You can use a marker, you can use a crayon, a pencil crayon. You can even just use a pencil and draw the mouse. You don't even have to color it in, but I'm gonna color mine in. I've got some pink ears and a cute little pink nose. Most mice I usually see are gray, so I'm gonna color the rest of my mouse in a gray color. Have you seen a real mouse? I hope it wasn't in your house. Sometimes it's fun to see little creatures, but we usually don't want them in our house, do we? There, I've done his ears. And now I'm going to do his head. I'm trying my best to stay in the lines, but you know what? Sometimes we go outside the lines, and that's okay. We just do our best, right? Every time we try and do something, we try and be a little bit better. And if you keep practicing and keep trying, you can get really good at doing stuff. Whether it's swinging on a swing, drawing pictures, sharing with your siblings, you can get really good at all of it if you just practice. Practice every day. Okay, so my little mouse has some gray feet and a gray body and a gray head and some cute gray ears. Okay, we have one more thing to do for our mouse before we're done, and that is give our mouse a tail. All mice have tails. So for our tail, we're going to go back to using our pencil or a pen, and then I'm going to do the tail. We want the tail coming from behind the mouse, because the tail will be kind of by the mouse's little bum at the back of its body. So we're going to draw a line right here, pretending it's coming from behind, and we're going to go up, and let's make it curly on the top, just for a little bit of fun. There we go. Now our mouse has a tail. I sure hope you had fun drawing with me today. If you like and subscribe my videos, get your mom or dad to help you with that. You can watch even more of them. I'll see you next time, my friends.